Suzhou Prosemi Micro-electronic Technology Company, Limited is a national high-tech enterprise integrating research and development, production, and sales. We have established research and development centers and production bases in Suzhou, Shenzhen, and other locations. We possess a variety of professional production equipment, manufacturing a full range of products including low-resistance current sensing resistors, fuses, gas discharge tubes, transient voltage suppression diodes, electrostatic suppressors, and circuit breakers. Additionally, we have been certified by quality management systems such as ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and IATF 16949, and our products have passed certifications including VDE, UL, 3C, and AEC Q200. We have also obtained over 80 invention and utility model patents. Currently, our products are distributed nationwide and globally across multiple countries and regions, catering to sectors like automotive electronics, industrial control, renewable energy, consumer electronics, medical technology, and household appliances. We are committed to providing our customers with professional and diverse precision current sensing components and integrated circuit protection solutions.